Right. Mark this week has decided to give you your task prod in video format. And he's also decided to use a collection of something. He thought very hard about this. So I'm going to be videoing and he's going to be showing his collection. And this week it's going to be like this. Come with me.
Shoes. What we're going to do is to measure some shoes. We're going to look at heel length and we're going to be plotting a frequency histogram of heel length to see what the median heel length of Caroline's collections of shoes is. I have no idea whether the data will be normal or not, but we shall be plotting a histogram of these a bit later on, using the shoes themselves probably. So here we go. Let me go get some shoes.
This is the moment in which he gets to go into my shoe cupboard. Shall we see? Shall we see what?
Lots of shoes. Lots and lots of shoes. Oh, this may take a while.
Right, I think what we'll do is we'll leave Mark with his collection. There it goes. His collection of shoes until we come back later when he's done it. Okay, so we'll see you in a bit.
So, pile of shoes, we have, I've counted them up, we have 25 shoes. So n equals 25. What I need to do now is to measure them. I'm going to measure the heels, like so. So,
Okay.
take one shoe, and what I'm doing is I'm measuring from the middle to the end.
Okay.
So this one is 9 centimeters. So we're doing it in 9 centimeters. It's a 9 centimeter shoe, and I have laid out an axis on the left. So the 9 centimeter shoe is going in the 9 centimeter pile. All I've got to do is just then go through the rest. This is a 10. This one is, let me see, 11 and a half. 11 and a half. 11 and a half. This one is 8. 8. This one, I like these. 11. This one, 12.
High
Like
shoes.
those as well.
Yeah.
This one is 11 and a half. Aha. This one is 10 and a half.
We're already getting a minor distribution of shoes here.
One distribution of shoes. This one's 11. This one looks like a small one. This one's an 8.
It's a pretty low shoe.
This one looks like an 8 or an 8.5 as well. This one is an 8. This one, from the Boutons, obviously, is an 11. Somebody likes the heels. This one is an 8.
Apparently I have a distinct pattern at this moment emerging is short heels and high heels and none in the middle.
That's called a bimodal distribution, folks. More of that later. This is a 9.5.
One in the middle. There we go.
9.5. This one, ooh, bootage. 8.5. Alright, we're going to fold that one over, just for kind of like aesthetic reasons. This one is 10. 10. This one is a 9. 9.
Oh no, I'm getting middle shoes now.
Ah, this one I've actually done. Ha. Actually, n equals 24 people. I've doubled up on one of the shoes. This one's 8.5. Another 8.5. And this one is a 9. This one is an 8.
Well, I'm actually
Well, you're
getting
far
more
more
than...
practical than I thought you would be.
Really?
Yeah. Kinda.
It's a biased distribution of shoes, you realise?
No, it is. It's a random sample of all the shoes, all the heeled shoes, not all of them, obviously. 10.5 we have. 10.5. Some office ones, literally. These are 12.5. Oh, I didn't do a label for 12.5. 12.5. Those are epic shoes, I have to say. 12.5 centimetres, what's that in inches? This is 11.5. 11.5. And finally, the sweet pink ones. These are, I just kiss a shoe.
Yeah.
11.5 as well.
Oh, so
So these
actually,
are
distribution
this
is
is our
huge.
distribution. So let's plan from left to right.
Let's have a look.
We start on the left hand side with 8, please. Camera. So we have 4 8s. We have 2 8.5s. We have 3 9s. A 9.5. 2 10s. 2 10.5s. 3 11s. 4 11.5s. 12, and these epic stilettos here, a 12.5 for which there's no label. That is our frequency distribution. Quite easy to do, easy to collect data. Easy to collect data. What we need to do now is decide what's the most appropriate way to summarise those data. Well, clearly these data are not producing a bell-shaped and symmetrical distribution. So
No.
they are, yes, non-normal. So the most appropriate measure of these things would be the median. Okay, the median. So we have 24 shoes, and so the median is going to be found somewhere between the 12th value and the 13th value. It's halfway between the two. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. The median size of shoes for this selection is 10. Okay, that's the median. 10. You would also want to work out the interquartile range, the quarter of the way along value, which will lie around about here, somewhere between 8.5 and 9, off the top of my head. And the 3/4 of the long way value, which will probably lie somewhere between these 11s and 11.5s. And that's pretty much it. So it's very easy to collect data, plot frequency histograms, and get some idea about what your data show. Simple as that. So one of your tasks this week could be to collect some data on anything and produce your own distributions. That's us saying goodbye, and catch you again another time. Bye.